market just like open with the gap, and with the opening of London session just like pushing to a downside. Interesting, but the previous candle actually don't have a bottom mix, so not interested. Just like need to wait here, to be honest. Just give me a few minutes. Actually, my WhatsApp, I don't know why, but it just like log me out from my system. And just give me 1 minute. What the wow, look at this gold with the opening of London. It's just like continuously pushing to downside. Wow, man, was not expecting this, to be honest. This can just like rejected from this area, create a wick, break the low. Previous can don't have a bottom wick, but it just like went down like 50 pips and like fill this range on the left hand side. But actually, you know what, I was just like not comfortable with these cells actually, because the previous can just like close with no bottom wick, and also just like don't have and open with the gap actually showing a strong bearish momentum. But the previous candle has don't have a bottom wick in this kind of consolidation. When market just like close within the range, I don't think so it makes sense to take a sell here. So just like need to wait here actually, just like until that I'm just like try to connect my WhatsApp, and I don't know what the hell is just like wrong with it, just like not giving me the options to link my this device to my system. Tab link devices and then link. Oh, I see that, man. This is the link device. I just like need to use another phone. It's interesting. Yes. All right. So look at this rejection, man. Wow. But it was an opportunity to grab a few pips here. Yes. It was a good opportunity. All right. It's linked now. Let me send the link in my WhatsApp group. Here you go. All right. So let's just get started. Hmm. Just like need a background music here.
Recording in progress.
All right, so let's just do some fresh analysis. Was just like going on the gold. So let me just like look at this chart. Actually previous candle have no bottom wick, but if the next candle wakes up and break its own low again, then it's okay, right? It's opening of London session, so you can go with another 50%. Because but this candle which is like close with no bottom wick, it's mean that it's having like a 50% probability that it will go in your favor. And if the candle just like close in somewhere where we just like having a lot of rejection on the left hand side, a candle just like close with no bottoming, I was just like not comfortable to take sales there. Even I'm just like say going to be get like a same structure again, might be I'm not gonna take a sell. So we'll just like go towards like with fresh analysis. So let me see about Christian, what he just like send me here. So Christian, you just like took a 15-minute time frame and executed a sell here on the first 50 minutes, and when there was just like 15 minutes left for this candle to be closed, so you just like try to predict the market, bro, to take a sell from the range. The only volume just like help you out in this situation, and it was very 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 risky to be honest. But I think so it doesn't if the thing just like doesn't make sense, still you just like go to winning trade there. I will say that it's just you just like become a lucky one, that it just like went in your favor. If there are some kind of a risky thing, a lot of like rejection, not clean traffic, ranging, taking a sell from the range, so you just like need to understand and don't try to build these kind of habits. So you know what will happen in the next time you just like try to like execute with the same kind of structure, there's a probability you're gonna lose some money there. But still, congratulations, you just like won this one. Market is moving nasty past few days. Yeah, exactly. Price closed within the range on the 30-minute, but I took the sell based on the 1 hour. 1 hour. What on the this one here? Just like took a sell on the 1 hour. All right, but yeah, 1 hour makes sense, but still, I would say volume just like help you out to go through this whole rejection week on the left hand side. So yeah, good. This movement totally depending on the opening of London session. Do you guys knew that it just like broke the low with the opening of London? That is the only reason the price just like pushed on. If it's just like a normal time, if it's just like a normal volume was were there, the previous candle clearly showing 50-50 probability in it, and it also like close within the range. Look at this one. So it become risky definitely, but depending on the volume only it makes sense. So let's just like break down the chart with a fresh analysis, starting with the daily time frame. Let me just like remove these whole things first. So on a daily time frame, we are having this resistance and a support. Look at this daily time frame. It's just like lows above the previous candle high. And oh, I just remember that today is also just like going to be hit with the CPI news. Am I right? Today we just like, oh man, I forget about this one. We are going to hit with the CPI news later during the NY session. Interesting. So might be we just like gonna do some kind of consolidation, because this CPI gonna show some direction to be honest. Yes. Okay, so from daily time frame I just like took a resistance here and got a support here. And for more confirmation, just like need to jump from actually the weekly also pushing upside. So I just like need to jump from daily to H4. H4 you can clearly see that market just like created a resistance here and broke this support. It just like broke the support impulsively. Yeah, it makes sense. It's also breaking the low of the previous H4 as well. With the opening of London session, it broke H4 low, it broke previous H1 low, and depending on the volume, yeah, it makes sense. Yes. So let's see. So from H4, I can see that we're just like pushing to the downside and we're just like rejecting from this area. Rather than that, we are having this support area on the left hand side. And for more better picture, I would like to go from H4 to H1. Can you guys hear me clearly? So on H1 I'm just like okay, uh, so on H1 you can see there's like a lot of rejection here on the left hand side, and there's just like a lot of rejection here on the left hand side on the top. So I'm just like taking this resistance area, because these all things are just like messy right now. So above this area, I think so breaking above this side, that makes sense to take some buy. Rather than that, we just like never knew that from where market could be rejected. Look at this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, almost like 15 to 16 hours. It's just like continuously doing consolidation in this area. See this one. So let's just jump from H1 to M30 to see what we just like going to be get within this wicks and within these wicks as well. So because look at this one, these wicks are having like a 50-60 pip range in it. So if I just like going to be jump from H1 to M30, I'm just like going to be get more better picture. So look at this one. Below this area, I just like go out here. Wow, 70 pip range to the downside. But first thing first, we are having this wick. It's like 35 pip wick, just like not a comfortable structure to be honest. I think so. It's just like going to be consolidated for the whole time until we just like hit with the CPI news. So where I should like place my like support and resistance. If I'm just like gonna place my stop loss, like sorry, some resistance here, placing my like support here, where I just like gonna execute. Even the candle just like going to be close above this resistance area. If a candle even just like going to be close above this resistance area, still we are having like a mess here. Look at this one, lot of rejections. So I just like need to clear my mind. And if I just like going to be close below this support area, then I just like need to depend on the volume to keep pushing it to the downside, because still you can see we are having rejection, 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 and a very strong rejections. So in this way I would say I will try to set some bias by looking at the market structure. Wow man, it's just like not having any kind of like a clean range anywhere, not on the upside and not to the downside. I think so today gonna be no trade, no trade day until we just like get some kind of clean structure just formed there after getting the CPI news. I think so that makes sense. I'm just like not gonna force myself. Why just like need to force myself to execute on some structure? The only thing I can give my trade a chance, you know what, only one option I'm having to give my trade one chance, only one structure I can see on the chart that makes sense to me. And you know what it is, this is something, what the hell is this, is again just like showing this. Let's see it. So what it will be, if this current candle continuously pushing to the downside, if this current candle continuously pushing to the downside, and if it's just like going to be create some kind of a support with the rejection on this support area on a 30-minute time frame, not even a 50-minute time frame. I'm just like not going to look at 50-minute time frame. Today is just like going to be a 30-minute time frame. If I just like go to some structure like a candle just like come down, create support, give me some confirmation candle, the next candle create a weak and break above the high, these are the only scenario, this is the only structure to be honest right now I can see on the chart. So I can give my trade a chance to grab this range on the left hand side. This is the only probability in my view to take a buy. Rather than that, you know what, if I'm just like going to be execute somewhere here for the sells, you just like need to understand market just like already moved almost like more than 100 pips, and we are again having this mess on the left hand side. So for sells, you know what I would like to see, I would like to see this candle to continuously pushing to a downside, then come back, create some kind of a resistance, give some kind of confirmation candle. So then I can give my trade a chance for the sells. This is the second scenario, second structure I'm just like looking for. If I just like really wanted to take a sell, taking sell here doesn't make sense to me. And one structure I'm just like looking for this for the sells, and for the buys only thing, like if I just like go some candle confirmation candle with just like close right on a support area, and next candle create a wick, break above the high, and I gonna execute somewhere here. Why? Because this is something as sport we are having on the left hand side. If I just like go some confirmation candle and tradable range, clean traffic on the left hand side, gonna face clean traffic. We are already sitting with the volume time, so this is a probability I can grab some chunks. Rather than that, I am not gonna force myself for the execution on any structure, any trade. They are just like two structure I'm having in my mind, and I'm just like gonna stick with that. And if it's just like nothing gonna happen there in the next 1 hour, 1 hour 2 hour, then I will just like close the chart and will come back during the stream, during the CPA actually. Okay, sir, I executed on H1 low, break depend on London volume. Please comment. Let me see. Sayed Lal Basha, Mr. So yeah, it makes sense. Many people just like to this. It makes sense. Depending on the volume actually makes sense, to be honest. Depending on the volume, it makes sense. Because it's just like break the low of the previous H4. Like H4 created a resistance, created a support, broke that support. So it was like a counter trend setup on H4, not on a lower time frame. Lower time frame was just like completely doing consolidation. So it's just like give you the breakout structure on a lower time frame, and you just like execute it by depending on the volume. And here is the clean traffic. You just like secure your money. I would say it's a perfect trade by using volume in your favor. Very nice. I was not comfortable because I just like that time when I just like started a stream, I did not look at H1, I did not look at H4, how those kind of just like printing that time. So now if I just like look at with this perspective how I can be a part of this trade. Even this candle don't have a bottom wick, but H4 broke the previous candle resistance low. H1 broke all the rejection on the left hand side. So you are sitting with the opening of London session, you are having like a clean traffic on the left hand side, tradable range. So it makes sense. Yeah, very nice. But still, this makes sense. But someone who just like took a sell from here, this could be risky because at this area you just like try to predict the market actually. So sells, I'm just like looking for this current resistance now, just taking this current resistance, because if I'm just like waiting for this resistance to be break, it will be far away from here, 100 bit far away from this area. So might be some kind of just like printing with a strong healthy body, might be by depending on the volume. If we just like break above this high, that also makes sense, but we'll see. Till that we are just like tapping to this support area. Here is a simple analysis of on my charts with a simple plan. No need to be get into any kind of difficulties, just relax, chill. Okay, so price action looks so shit. Yeah, exactly. We are having CPA actually, it might be due to that. After CPA, and also you are just like in right now sitting at the end, almost like ending of the December, you are having CPA. So market, this is a normal thing for it actually, to be honest. It's just like do these kind of things every time. So what is this? Is this example of the fake out? No, it's just like not a. It's just like creating a high. It's just like creating a low. This one candle, the first candle did not can come back into the range. You just like talking about this one. Look at this one. It's just like continuously pushing to the upside, and then it just like feel almost like complete range on the left hand side. This one almost like feel more than 50% of the range on the left hand side. So it's just like creating a higher low, something like that. Till that is just like nothing. Let me just explain you very in a very simple way how you can recognize a fake out structure. Fake out means, like, suppose market was just like creating higher low, something like that, and once you just like okay, just like make it more easy. Suppose you just like stuck in a consolidation area, market was just like doing consolidation, and after that you just like understand that if we just like break above this high, like in this way, if you just like break above this high, give a go to confirmation candle, or you just like broke this low, go to confirmation candle to the downside, and now you just like saw that market just like having clean traffic on the left hand side, tradable range. You are sitting with the volume time, you got your confirmation candle, and you got your breakout structure here. All right. So each and everything is like aligned with each other. So what does mean of the fake or it's mean like market just like betrayed you. So if it's just like having all the scenarios here and it just like give you the confirmation candle, then there's no business of next candle after the consolidation, after the not in a higher low something like that. If it's just like doing consolidation and after the consolidation it just like give you the confirmation candle which just like close above the resistance or close below the support. So the next candle created a wick and close back into the range. If it's just like going to close back into the range after the breakout of structure of the consolidation, now there's a probability if there's like a tradable range to the downside, you can execute as a fake out structure to fill this range on the left hand side. Still it should be like a tradable range because you're already sitting with the volume time. This is how you can go for a fake out structure. You can recognize a fake out structure. And in the same way if you just like put it upside to the downside, like a candle just like give you the confirmation candle for the sales and next candle just like close back into the range here. This makes sense because you're already sitting with the volume time. So these are the scenario you just like need to understand that these are called fake out. But you know what, most of the people what they do with what the mistake they just like continuously doing in their life, they just like go to the confirmation candle. You have to take a buy here. It's an opportunity for the buys. Don't worry about the fake out. Don't try to predict the market. You just like go to confirmation candle and now you are thinking that it's just like give me the fake out and then I'm just like gonna take the sell. It's not working like that. You just like need to take execution here. Just execute on this structure. Just execute on this structure. This is the first opportunity you just like getting there. Fake out just like happen rarely. So if it's just like going to be appear there, if once it's just like printed, then you just like need to get action on that one. So if you just like execute it on some structure and you just like managing the risk, while managing the risk you see that you just like manage the risk, the candle close back into the range. That is something like fake out, I think so. No one will go this deeper to make you better understanding these fake out structures. Am I right? I hope you guys just like understood this one. Okay, so yeah, Baga, I hope you understood this one. So let's just like jump towards like YouTube chat. I took sell because London Open and cannot give a gap. I'm on sell, very, very beautiful. How did those gold buys play out yesterday? I just like closed that at a break even. I remember that. Look at this one. I just like closed that at break even. Because there was just if even if there was like few minutes left, like a 1 hour left for the H4 closure, might be I'm just like gonna close this trade because if it's just like going to appear again, I'm just like gonna hold on with this trade. It was having clean traffic, tradable range, everything was just like aligned with each other. But there was just like few minutes left for the candle to be closed, and this candle just like not pushing upside and not breaking above the high, and it's been like 15 to 20 minutes was just like went there and just like still standing at that situation. And then I just like saw that there's just like few minutes left for the candle of H4 just going to be closed. So no one knows that all the candles always having like a wicks to the upside and to the downside as well. So I don't know if the H4 just like going to be leave a wick before the closure. So there might be a complete 30-minute candle in a bearish or bullish form, something like that. So that's why I just like close it at break even. Definitely had a plan to hold on with this one, but situation just like changed, so I just like need to take action on that one. Okay, so Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam. I think it's time to stop trading till 6 January. We'll see. Might be I just like gonna think. I will think about it from 22 December. That will make sense. So I think so. During the annual session, we're just like gonna grab some good chunks there because news will bring a huge volume in the market, and with the by settling down the news dust, then right after news you just like going to be get one H4 candle closure. After H4 candle closure you just like might be gonna get some clean direction in one way, and then using the NYSC volume low time frame confirmation with that one, there's a probability you're gonna grab some chunks there. And right now there's just like more than 100 people just like watching, and I'm having just like 27 likes on YouTube. Very nice. The voice is amazing today. By the way, grab 40 pips on this sell on London Open according to H1. Very nice. मुझे लगता है अब हमें ब्रेक लेनी चाहिए. ओके, अच्छा जी. प्राइस एक्शन इज गोइंग nowhere. Yes, just like doing consolidation. The true is there is no clean structure. Yes, exactly. There is just like two structure I can see on the chart. Rather than that, I can't see anything. If a candle just like close, if there's some kind of a news appear right now, so a candle just like printing with a huge body, so then depending on the volume we can decide some direction. But right now it's just like nothing. Whoever just like grab this opportunity like 30 pips, 15 pips, I would say just like close the chart and come on a CPA or just like come tomorrow. uh, Come live in New York session. No, I was just like busy at that time. Yesterday, did you manage trade cash, bro? I already explained that, bro. I just like close the trade. Minimum deposit in Dominion market, I think so you can go with $100, something like that. You just like need to ask the team. I think when we have range, good idea if we use support and resistance strategy in December. Don't work breakouts. I don't think so that will be also gonna work out in December. You know what, not even in a December. If there's just like no volume in the market, if there's just like no volume in the market, no structure gonna work out. Volume is just like a bullet towards our like weapon. We just like use volume as a bullet of our weapon actually. So if there's like no volume, we just like we cannot like hunt anything, to be honest. And no structure, even someone just like doing day trading, someone just like doing swing trading, no one just like gonna make some money if there's just like no volume. Everyone just like stuck. Even we are just like waiting for something like our structure will print and we will just execute, we'll try to grab some chunks, and might be we just like manage the risk there. So we will just like get into jump into some trade and we'll exit it from that trade in few minutes. But the people who just like holding trades from with a day perspective, with a weekly perspective, might be they just like continuously watching the charts again and again. That's what gonna happen. They just like actually stuck there. It's a pressure, psychological pressure on them. Might be in one condition they must be in a relaxed way if they are having enough money with them, so they just like don't need to be worried about 30 minutes just like close. And now just like continuously pushing to a downside. Okay. Market's slow right now, but the streams are really informative. Thanks a lot, sir. Yeah, stream will be always informative. It's just like build up for the education. How we just like need to read the candles, where we just like need to see some opportunity, when we just like have to grab some opportunity. You just like going to be and learn different ways of risk management. So I would say this December you could build yourself by totally doing some kind of back testing, test your structure, and then during with the 2026 just like come strong on the chart. And you just like knew that what now you just like have to do, what structure you just like need to look at the chart when you just like really wanted to execute on something. So December is the best way because it's a holiday and you can use these holidays in your favor by practicing. uh, Yeah, if we use breakout, we need volume. In December, we don't have volume often. Yeah, exactly. Often we just like don't have volume in December. This is December. You know what? It's been like today's 18th of December, and from 1st December, I was just like continuously. If you just like watch my streams from the 1st December to onward, you will continuously going to be listen this thing that might be in one day you just like going to be get a clean move. Suppose that like what happened on the Friday, it's just like continuously pushing in one direction, and everyone just like expecting now volume just like jump back into the market, and the another days again they all just like become junk again. There's just like nothing, no movement, no volume again. So this is how the summer always worked out. It doesn't mean volume just like not coming up in the summer, but it mostly react like in this way. There's one day, then you just like going to be get volume, and right after that one day, then again volume will gonna drop for 4 to 5 days. So they will just like keep connected with the people with the forest actually. By totally managing and learn to accept losses even on best setups. Yes, as yesterday. Yeah, exactly. You see that last setup was very awesome, very awesome. Like everyone just like was in our favor. Can I just like created a resistance, created a support, and H1 just like close in a bullish form from the rejection from the support. M30 close with a small body. Next M30 close above the previous candle high, and next candle create a wick and break above the high. We are having clean traffic. We are sitting with the volume time. Still, we don't have any kind of relation with the Trump, so no one knows that market will gonna go in our favor. Everything just like on a probability, so we just like need to manage the risk. But if this kind of scenario happened during the volume time, very high probability, and especially on Wednesday or Thursday, I'm gonna hold until it just like give me 100 pips, to be honest. So this was some that kind of a trade. Exactly. Did you took a trade in NY yesterday? In NY, yes. No, I just like did not took a trade on NY yesterday, to be honest. I remember it just like broke the high with the opening of NY session. I remember I just when I just like come on the chart, I just like look that is just like broke above the high. I was just like doing one-on-one session with some of my student that time, and we just like discussing about this one. Now this candle. Before that, let me just like zoom in. It was really such a awesome thing. You just like need to understand. We were just like doing consolidation for the whole day, and then this candle, which just like broke above the zone rejection on the left hand side. This candle connected with the opening of NY. With the opening of NY, it just like broke above the resistance of H4, H1, M30, M15. All time frame just like broke above this high with the NY opening session. And then we are having clean traffic, tradable range, already sitting with a volume. So this totally makes sense as impulse entry. It just like fill complete range on the left hand side. Look at this one, man. Even this candle just like don't have a bottom wick. What a strong bullish momentum. And the whole day. This is this is what happened during the NY session. The same thing I was expecting when I execute here. When I executed here, I was expecting these candles to should be printed here, but it just like start doing consolidation, and then it just like happened and fill this clean traffic. Yeah, very nice. So I was just like doing one-on-one session that time. So where is David? David, we miss you. The one trade guy. David might be enjoying their holiday. Seems like GU have a good opportunity to sell based of H1. I don't have GU here, bro. Just like send me the chart if you just like want an interpretation on that one. Uh, did you take break in last days of the summer because volume is low end of the? Yeah, I think so. It makes sense. We'll see. We'll see. I think so. From the next week, it makes sense to take a break for 6 to 7 days because you are having Christmas. There's just like a holidays, just like starting New Year, just like coming up. So I think so. Yeah. Uh, volume will come from 15 January. No, just like not like that. Volume can be hit the market anytime, but mostly most of the traders just like took break during this time because they knew that market will become volatile. And you can see by your eyes, we just like continuously doing stream from 18 days of December, and you see that every time during the Asian and London session, we just like not getting anything. Sorry, the London session during the. Does market volume improve in January after December? I'm expecting. Let's see. Let's see. It's just like waiting here right now. I'm gonna give my trade only one chance if I just like go to a 30-minute candle closure in a bullish form, and next candle create a weak and break above the high. So taking a buy from the support might be just like gonna fill this range, and we are having later CPI. I will also going with a small lot size as well. So just like waiting. The candle is like still open, and if this candle just like close nearby the support, then only makes sense to take a buy. If it just like fill half of the range, then again it's just like no sell, just like consolidation, no trade zone. Then it will be where it is like standing right now. If it just like close at this level where it is just like standing right now, this makes sense. So next candle create a wick, break above the high, so I can take a buy, so grab some middle chunks from it. But if it just like already moved a lot or filled 50% of the range on the left hand side, then no makes sense to take a buy again. Oh man, let's see. Everyone just like getting boring today. They're getting bored. All right, man. So things are getting bored. Let's make it. Let's put some spice into it. Okay. So how I can put spice into my live stream today? What about if I'm just like going to be give 125k Dominion funding account of one step or two step, whatever you just like want you to take, and you just like need to give me a best idea to play a game here. So who are just like going to so let's do some giveaway. I think so that will be better. Let's spread the money. Okay, so just like give me some idea on YouTube and on a Zoom. So how I can choose a lucky winner? What should be the game and what should be the scenario I should have adopt here to give one $25,000 Dominion funding account, and you can take anyone like one step or two step. But you just like going to have only two options, one step or two step. It's not for the instant one, just one step and two step. Whatever suits you, you can go ahead. It's your choice. You can take with one step, you can go with two step. So Dominion funding, let me just like see what is the price of two step and three step. Okay, here you go. Bring your cat on live. Let him choose, but how I will tell him that choose someone. So what is the price of, let me just see this one was thing first. So one step, $25,000 price is, wow man, it's $320, and two step it's $250. It's a good money. 300 and 250. I did not even earn money, but still it's a good money. So you can choose any two step, one step, doesn't matter. So just let's go with $320. It's okay. So just like use code cash 20. Yeah, for if you just if someone just like want to take a any challenge right now, company just like offering 15% off, Raja Bro just like offering more than that, but at the end you guys need to come to me because I'm having 20% off on all the funding accounts. Every account you just like going to be get here, just use code QS20, just like go through with my link, and you just like going to be get 20% off. So let's just like get some idea. Give me some idea for the giveaway. Okay, let's play the game, sir. Okay, react in your story within this 5 minute to entry. Then how I can going to be choose, then the winner will be chosen later, I think so, but I just like wanted to choose a winner right now. So do something or just like use your mind. All YouTubers, you were at this boring time to all 7,500 funding challenge. It's not like that. I'm just like going to be give $125 account to one person. 7,500, 12,500. I don't think so it's just like gonna change someone life, but I think so $25,000 might be have some potential in it. MT5 simulator giveaway, Mr. Cassidy. No, You will use a discount. All YouTube reviewers at this boring time. Hmm. Again, same question. Ask the question about the strategy. Okay, let's say how much the account will help us. Then you choose. Just choose a random person in the comment, and that person must be subscribed to your channel. Ludo. How everyone just like become a part of that Ludo. I'm not getting any idea till right now. You guys are just like slow right now. As I'm just like a dumb person. I don't have any idea right now. You guys just like need to use your brain. I'm just like giving away free account here. There's just like 20 minutes left for 15 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to be closed. Till that, you guys having time with you guys. Uh, just give it to me. Don't do anything. All right. Put W in the chat. Then you close eye, scroll up and down, point you to who. Then he is a winner. Okay. Ask any trade ideas trick. Just give me. You will make my Christmas. Oh, we are having Christmas later. Why not to do something on a Christmas? Why not to stop it right now and give 2 to 3 accounts on a Christmas? Hmm. Okay, let's do it something. Let's do it something. I just like I got an idea for 12500 account. The 30-minute candle on my screen is just like about to be closed in 15 minutes. In the next 15 minutes, the candle is just like about to be closed. You guys just like need to comment only once. If someone just like going to be comment twice, they will be disqualified and not gonna get the account. You just like need to predict the accurate price or nearby the accurate price where this 30-minute candle just like about to be closed. Like you can go with 43, 28.39, 36, 37, 32, something like that. I think it's just like interesting. So you guys just like need to predict the market, but not now. Not now. Just like keep a figure in your mind on a YouTube and on my like Zoom as well. So just like keep one figure in your mind and you just like write it down when there is just like no, it's not like that. If there's like no, it's not gonna work like that. Hmm. So I would say after a count of 10, you guys just like going to be write down only numbers like whatever just like number you just like going to be put there like 43, 28, 60, 43, 27.45, 40, 43, 26.15, something any number whatever just like suits you. But after writing down the number, no one just like going to be write down any text on a like on a chat actually. So I can choose a random person who just like judge the nearest number in the first way. So that he will be or she will be the winner actually. I think so that will make sense. So after counting of 10, then after that for 15 minutes you guys just like not going to be write down any text about any questions anything like that. You just like need to write down just a number whatever you just like think that market in 30 minutes going to be closed there. That's it. So the nearest winner, nearest number to like who just like come nearest by the closing candle, or who are just like choose the perfect number. I'm just like gonna give $25,000 Dominion funding account to him or her. Make sense? Does this make sense? It will be easy, but after counting of my 10. So and one more thing, if there are two people or three people who just like write down the same number, only the first person who just like write that number, he will be the winner. Who will be the first commenter who just like write that number, he will be the winner or she will be the winner. All right. So confusion will be finished here. So one, and right after my counting of 10, no message will be sent in a chat, not on a YouTube and not on a Zoom actually. So stop it now. Don't put your numbers right now. So right last message I just like came from Django. After that I'm just like start calculating the people, and from here Valdemir is actually now. You cannot write it down in last few minutes. No, it's just like not gonna happen. It's not a rule. Yeah, here you go. Oh man, what is this? Okay. 43, 23, 43, 29, 28, 43, 31. Let's see. Right now, there's just very few people just like sitting on a Zoom. They just like missed the opportunity today. They just like did not attempt the stream. Oh man. Oh man. So just like you just like YouTube, especially YouTube, you cannot send your message twice. If I just like find out you send your message twice, you will be disqualified. Only one number, you just need to write it down there. All right? Just like one number. And I will start this like calculation from my Zoom first. The Zoom they just like paid me the fee here, so they are having first priority. So I will start from the Zoom, and then I will just like jump towards on a live of YouTube. All right. You know what? You guys still having a lot of opportunity. Why? There are just like 36, 37 people right now watching on Zoom. Normally there are just like more than 100 people just like watching on Zoom, on a Zoom, but right now there's just like 36 people, so there's a higher probability YouTube just like gonna win this one. Let's make it interesting. Yeah, and hit the like button as well. Hit the like button. Don't write down any message. Don't write down any message. I told you, Mr. I'm just like gonna remove that person who just like gonna write down message or text here. I don't need any explanation. Current support is strong support. My prediction is red. My M30 will close bullish. I don't need any kind of interest in it. Just like write down single number there, and don't write down any else rather than that. Wow. Let's see. The winner just like going to be chosen in 10 minutes. $125,000 account of Dominion funding. Yes. Let's put some spice into it. Ah man. Hit the like button of YouTube. YouTube, I'm just like having 54 like these likes should be like more than 100. Let me see. Mr. Ren FX, you write down twice. I told you to write down only one. If you write down twice, you will be disqualified. So just like write down, and here you go. You just like write down three times, so you are disqualified right now. I'm just like hiding your comment right now. Actually, I just like don't need to do anything. You just like disqualify right now. Mr. Aryan FX, you are disqualified. You just like send three time message. Look at this one. Mr. Ren, look at this person. Look at this one. Mr. Ren, 4328, 4328, 4328. It's not gonna work like that. You cannot be clever with me. I will just like going to be choose someone very easily. So just like hit the like button as well. Let's see, here come John with 4327.740. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This candle is just like about to be closed in 7 minutes. 7 minutes. It's about to be closed. Come on, there's just like more than 120 people just like watching right now. Let me just like make some video about it. So today during the live stream with MFU and with my YouTube community, I'm just like gonna give 125k 25,000, actually $25,000 account of Dominion funding. And the challenge is whoever just like going to be choose nearest number where this 30 minutes just like about to be close, he or she will be the winner. Let's see who's just like gonna win this $25,000 K account of Dominion funding, and you can choose any one step or two step, whatever. So let's see. Let's see. There's just like few minutes left. Look at this one. There is just like 7 minutes left to choose a winner. And don't comment twice while market rotating to the downside. Don't change your comment. Believe me, I'm just like gonna copy this all. You know what? How I can choose easily? There, someone just like comment twice on a YouTube. I'm just like going to be copy these all commands and put it into Chat GPT, and will give him a command that just like choose the people who just like did not comment twice. So everyone can be filtered easily from that place. So don't be clever. Just write it down once and try your luck only. And in a last 1 minute, you guys, everyone, just like going to be stop. Then no one going to be write down any text in this last minute. All right, in this last minute, then no one going to be write down any text there. So just like few seconds left, in this last few seconds, this intake will be closed. Okay, just okay, you guys just like need to stop now. That's it. The last message I'm just like got from on a YouTube is it, the last person is just like Muhammad Hussain. On a Muhammad Hussain, the intake will be closed here. Not more than not. I'm not gonna choose any person who just like coming after Muhammad Hussain. Okay, just like stop it now. And here on a Zoom, Mr. Timur just like send the last message. Okay, can I click on this candle to see where it's just like closed and oh, I think so. Everyone just like gonna lose this one. Let's see. I think no one gonna win this account. Let's see. Let's see. Still, everyone just like many people just like predicted this one, but still just like wait. Wow, it will be hilarious if it's just like going to be close somewhere here in last few seconds. Yeah, just like wait. No message now. No more message. After where is the bad person? Yeah, after Muhammad Hussain, I'm not gonna take any person. So 3 minutes left. Just 3 minutes left. It's the account. Wow, it's just like jumping back into the range. It will be very awesome if this can just like going to be close somewhere here. Everyone will be out, and I just like don't need to give anyone. Whoa. So yeah, you cannot write down now any numbers there. The intake is just like closed before 5 minutes. It's just like closed, so no need to put any number there. It's just like close. Tolga, you are late. I cannot take you, bro. Hmm. Yeah. Let me see in 1 minute. Actually, 1 minute will tell me more clarity where the price about to be close. And I'm going to be take the body, not the wick, the body of the candle. Wow. So, even in giveaway, December is not supporting us. Yeah, just like coming. Many people just like might be just like to predict nearby this third 43.27, something like that, 43.28, 25. But there is still 2 minutes left. Let's see. Anything can be happening in the last 2 minutes. So whatever price I'm just like going to be get by keeping my this line on the body. Okay. So everyone will watch it live. 1 minute left. Just 1 minute left. Let's see. Just 1 minute left. Elbow. Elbow said I won. Okay, let's see. Still there's just like 1 minute left. What will happen if Kendall just like going to be close somewhere here or somewhere below there? This 1 minute can do anything. This last 1 minute can do anything. Let's see. So I'm just like looking at this 1 minute time frame so I can get a best price where it's about. So the last 1 minute, it's the last 1 minute running on. It's just like a last 1 minute running on. I'm just like scaling up. Okay, I will just like do it live here. We'll choose in front of everyone so it will be not taken anyone, not putting any kind of doubt in anyone mind. So just like going to be choose winner in front of everyone. Let's see. So it's about to be closed in 20 seconds now. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Here you go. This candle closed at, let me see this one here, 4326.56. 4326.56. Let me write it down here. 4326.56. So I will remember this number and then I will choose a lucky winner. Okay. All right, so let's choose the lucky person. I will start it from my Zoom. First thing, I'm just like going to be start with my Zoom. Let me put it to the upside. Okay, just like start it from here. 4323, 4329, 4331, 4323, 4329, 27, 4029, 29, 4326 Tolga, but not 0.56. Okay, nearby 4326, and till right now Tolga is just like nearby this one. 27, 25, 29, 30, 27, 28, 21. Oh man, no one just like won from a Zoom. Oh, Tolga just like having nearby this one. Not 4326. You just like write down 4326 only. So yeah, right now you're just like closest. Let's see. So let's just like jump on a YouTube now. Let me see on a YouTube. It started from here. What is this, man? Why you guys just like confused? Yeah, after the count we just like need to start. It started from this one here from Mr. Rent. You just like already disqualified because you write down your message 3 times. So 4329, 4326, 4328, 29, 22, 30, 25 till Tolga. Just like right now I'm having a winner of nearby 26. Okay, bringing it down. 31, 29, 28, 24, 29, 43, 26. Still Tolga just like above. This person come above 43, 20, just 26, 43, 26.10. I just like need to write down this person name here actually. Do you know what? 43, 26 point. What he just like write down 10. Oh man, what is this? Point 10. The name is, where is this? 43, 26.10. Afaq. Afaq. Okay. Let's go further now. 4326 nearby. Oh, here is Niaz Khan 4326.30. Ooh, fuck, you are out. Now Mr. Niaz Khan just like come forward. Mr. Niaz Khan. Okay. 43 26 30, 43 28, 40 28 27. Let me bring it down. Okay, 43 24, 43 30, 28 28, 22 92, 27 96, 29 29, 43 29, 43 30, 43 20 till right now I can see. Oh, someone just like already write down 43 26.30, but Mr. Niaz Khan write it before, so he just like come over on you. So sorry for that one. You just like write it down late. So 43 24, 43 29, 43 29, 22 24, 24, 29, 28, 27, 23, 43 26, 28, 32, 26.77. Ooh, interesting. I need to open my calculator to see who just like having less. Let me just like write it down. Calculator. I'm just like very weak in calculation actually. So someone just like 43.26. Sorry, 43.26.30 minus 43.26.30. Oh, I think I did wrong. Oh, I have to take the bigger amount first. Oh, just like need to like 56 minus 30. I'm just like dumb person. Look at this one. 26 difference. And who just like write on 77? 26 77 minus 56. Oh man, that was a 26 point difference. This person having 21 point different. So, Mr. Niaz Khan, you lose against Mr. Mohit Topu. Mr. Mohit Topu, what this kind of name? 326.77 nearest price. So, Mr. Topu, Mr. Mohit Topu, actually. What this kind of name, Mr. Mohit Topu? Mohit Topu. Okay. Mohitopu is the nearest person. So the next 43. Ooh, Mr. Mohitopu, you are out. You are definitely out. Someone just like write it down 4326.50. 4326.50. I think so. He must be the nearest person. 4326.50, and the name this person is 422650, Mr. Andre 007. 007. Okay. So till right now, I'm having one winner, Mr. Andre 32 43 26.50, and let's see if anyone else just like come nearby him. So we just like going to be stopped nearby Mr. Hassan. Uh, 43 26 40. Oh, you are far right now. Still 43 26 50 with person is just like a winner. 26 26.47. Oh, this entry is still above you, nearby the closing price. 43 25 27 26 25, 43 27 24 25, 40 27 27 27 25.92. Andre Andre again. Yeah, Henry, just like write down his like a comment here. So I think so. Now everyone understood that Andre 007 is a winner of $25,000 account of Dominion funding. Congratulations to you guys. Congratulations to the person who just like won this $25,000 account. Andre, you just like need to send me a text with your like real Instagram account. Just like DM me on my Instagram. Just like write down your Instagram. People just like quickly just like going to be make your Instagram account and will try to claim the prize actually. So just like write down your Instagram account here on a YouTube. So I will write it down. So if I'm just like going to be get the Messi with the same account, then I will just like talk with him. So congratulations, Mr. Andre 007. Write down your Instagram account on YouTube chat. Yeah, someone just like won this account. Oh, Andre, you are here in Zoom? Andre, did you predict the prize here in Zoom before? You cannot participate twice. I hope. Okay. No, no, no. He just like did not write down in Zoom. He just like participate only in YouTube actually. Yeah, he just like I am just like looking at this one. If he just like also predict one prize, a different prize in Zoom, then he just like not gonna get the account. Look at this one. Henry just like not here right now. Telga, Emner, Sabex, Sayed Lal, Duran, Trove. Yeah, no Henry is here. He just like took entry here only on a YouTube actually. Yes. Let me see one more thing here. Yeah, he's a proper winner actually. You know what? More one thing I was just like looking for. I was just like looking for. I stopped taking intake after this person, Mr. Mohammad Hussain. And Andy just like predict the market here. Look at this one. Yeah, he's a winner. He's a pure winner. So Andy, you are just like in a Zoom. So just like tell me what is your Instagram ID. Just write it down in Zoom, or just like okay. So it's Andre. Let me write it down for you. N double I is double I H underscore. Okay, just like text me. Just text me and I will just like going to tell you how you can get or just like going to be claim this $2,500 account. And congratulations to you, to be honest. It's just like you just like won a $2,500 account. You can go with anyone. You can choose $2,500 account of Dominion funding, like you can go with stage one, like step one. You can choose a step two, whatever suits you. You're having both options. Yeah. So wow, I would say it was like a interesting stream now. It become like a interesting stream. So look at this at M30, just like rejected with the long rejection, we close with a small body. This can is just like still struggling with the support area. So I can't see any kind of confirmation for the buyers or sells. You can see we just like still stuck in a consolidation. So what we should do? We can't do anything about it actually. So let's see. Let's see, man. Let's see. I think, yeah, just like got a message from you, Andre. Congratulations, bro. We'll talk you after the stream. Okay, so it's just like the 50-minute candle just like about to be closed in 1 minute actually. It's just like about to be closed in 1 minute. Yeah, it's just like about to be closed. So copy and put chat GPT nearest to the that. Just like don't need to be do that. It's just like already done. He said the that whoever wrote the same number after someone else would not be counted. Yeah, I just like already explained this thing. So I think so. Andre is just like a pure winner, and he just like follow all the rules. He just like did not like I would say executed twice, did not command twice. If he just like did not message in like a Zoom, he just like only message on a YouTube only. So he's a pure winner, and it's great. He's from MFU as well. That's great actually. Top go top. I swear it's my only command. I knew that, bro. I check it out. I already checked it out. So yeah, what a perfect number you just like predict there. But you know what? What will happen once this candle just like rejected? This candle just like rejected and went down. Everyone just like, what if it's just like going to be close somewhere and no one just like predicted that price? So everyone will be disqualified. So the account will be remain with me. My money could be safe at that position. But now I just took a stop loss of $320. But it's okay. It was like very fun. Yes. So use your code when buying? No, you just like no need to use my code while buying that one. I'm just like gonna give you some code, and when you just like need to put that code into that, and your account will be free. You just like don't need to pay a single penny. If you just like want you to put some add-ons on in your account, like you just like wanted to go with the 90% the profit split, something like that, then you just like need to pay some extra like $30, $25 if you just like wanted to put some add-on into it. But if you just like going with a simple one step or two step, whatever account you just like going to be choose, you just like don't need to pay a single penny there. So yeah, so I think so there's just like nothing on the chart right now. I need to now flip towards like CPI. We'll see if CPI will bring something on the table during the NY session. Right now we're just like doing consolidation. I can't see volume, nothing is just like on the chart. So no, there's no way to like spend much time on the chart right now. Just like need to close the chart. This is what I suggest to myself, whether everyone having their own choice, own perspective. So let's see. What if 30-minute breaks high? Would that be valid for buy? I can't see volume actually. Look at this one. How market just like moving. Look at this 15-minute. How market just like printing side by side. A single candle is just like printed like 20 pips, 10 pips. No volume. There was just like no volume. So no buys, no sells for me. I will see it after settle down the dust of CPI actually. That is the only thing will make sense. So yeah, I am just like heading off now. Thank you so much everyone for having me, and congratulations to Andy to win a account, and I hope so I will bring some more opportunity in the coming days as well. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, I think so. It's a Friday, so might be able going to be start the stream 2 a.m. Eastern because it's a Friday tomorrow. So till that, be safe, be careful, and don't try to play with the fire. It's a CPI. Just relax, let the news to settle the dust. If it's just like going to be create some opportunity for you, you can give your trade a chance. If it's just like not giving you any kind of opportunity, it's just like become volatile. Stay away from the chart. It's a December, end of the year, end of the month, so we can just like going on volatility expected. So don't try to play with the fire. Don't ruin your like a whole year, whole month, like money during the December. So stay blessed. See you soon. Take care and bye bye. hmm. Tata, bye bye, see you.
Recording.